Here's how to add a backup payment method on YouTube TV. First, open up any web browser. Now go to tv.youtube.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now click on the profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now from the left-hand side menu, find Billing and click on that. This section displays your monthly rate and your current primary payment method. Here click Update next to your primary payment method. This is going to open up your linked Google payment profile. Now scroll to the bottom of your payment settings screen. Here find the option of Backup Payment Method. Click on Fix Backup or Add Backup Payment Method. Now select an existing card from your wallet, or you can add a new one. For that, click on Add a new credit or debit card. Now enter all the required details such as card number, CVV and expiration date. After that, click on the Save option. Now your backup payment is locked in. If your primary card ever fails on your monthly billing date, YouTube TV will automatically charge this secondary account to keep your subscription running seamlessly. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.